Hello and welcome to the Property Investment Vehicle course. In this module, we'll be talking about real estate investment and provide you with the essentials to invest in your first property. It doesn't matter if you have zero or little knowledge about property investment or if you are already a seasoned investor. By the end of this course, comprising of 16 modules, you'll be equipped with an in-depth understanding on property investment and also to add value to what you already know. Before you start investing in property, you need to have the right mindset. What does having the right mindset even mean? Well, having the right mindset would mean being open-minded, thinking positively, and not whining or complaining after making a decision, and being accountable for the choices you've made. Complaining and whining won't get you anywhere. The market doesn't care about your complaints because the market will always be the market. Over the last couple of years, property prices have skyrocketed at least 30 times, with an average sales price of US $300,000. This may seem impossible to obtain, especially for those who are still in their 9-to-5 job living paycheck after paycheck. So stop complaining as to why you're still an employee because it's probably your own mistake. But if you're a property owner, would you complain on the fact that property prices have skyrocketed 30 times in the last couple of years? I guess not, because you're already generating thousands or maybe even millions with a property's value appreciation. Therefore, we can conclude that investing in ourselves will be one of the great ways of setting the right mindset before playing the real-time investment game in properties. There's no use in learning 1,001 strategies on how to invest in property, yet having the wrong mindset to begin with. If you notice, there are cases where an individual winning a lottery loses his or her riches overnight, and this is due to a poor mindset, where no amount of money can ever solve this. Wouldn't you agree, in order to be rich, one must first start to think like one? If you want to reach the peak of greatness in property investment, you must first have a positive mindset.